Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bosch brand dishwasher and you're getting an E24 error and you're wondering what is this error and how do I get rid of it. And also, if you're getting this error, there's probably gonna be water in your dishwasher as well, because the E24 error is a failure to drain error. So that can be coming from a couple different spots. The two main spots to check are down the drain filter, down here, make sure that there's not an excess of food and debris and gunk and stuff like that that would be preventing water from flowing out of the dishwasher. And the second place to check is behind your dishwasher, the drain hose. Make sure that it's not kinked or clogged or bent or anything like that. Even if you've recently moved your dishwasher, sometimes it can get pushed up against the wall and it can smush the drain hose or kink the drain hose, and then water can't get out. So if you check both of those things, you should be able to figure out why is water not getting out, because this error specifically is a clog error. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.